Manta at SeaWorld Abu Dhabi. Look at that. Look at the fish. What? This is crazy. Look at the theming of this. Oh my gosh.
Wait, is this a launch?
Oh my gosh, I think this is a launch coaster. We're about to be launched outside. What's gonna happen? Oh, the door's opening. Oh, look at that! It's longer than I thought. Oh, that's low to the ground inversion. Oh, another launch. Oh, the hang time. That was so good. There's so many near misses there. I love the waves that they add too. This coaster it works. It's so good. It works. Yeah, it's amazing. All right, we're going back inside. They keep these doors open and closed to keep the cool air in. You know, because it doesn't get hot out here.